Here I have OPPO A15s, and today I'm going to show you how to switch on or off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon. Here you have flip selfie option. So now let's try to take a photo with the front camera, and now let's try to take another photo without this feature. And as you can see, these both photos are mirrored like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.